Hi, let's run proportions. So when two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportions. And we used this four dot sign to represent the ratios which are in proportions. So let's understand with one example. So 1 is to 5 and 3 is to 15. Are they in proportions? These are two ratios. So we need to check. So if we reduce both the ratios to their smallest number or to their lowest form, we can find if they are in proportions or not. So for example, 1 is to 5, if we reduce it to its lowest form, it will be 1 is to 5 because we cannot reduce 1 is to 5 further. And 3 is to 5, we can divide both the terms in the ratio by 3. So we'll get 1 is to 5. So 3 divided by 3 will be 1 and 15 divided by 3 will be 5. So 1 is to 5 and 1 is to 5. So these ratios are in proportion because both the ratios in their smallest form or lowest form is 1 is to 5. So we can write 1 is to 5 is in proportion. This 4 dot symbol is proportion symbol. 3 is to 15. So here this first and fourth terms are called extreme terms, and second and third terms are called middle terms in the proportions. In the proportion there are four terms are involved, and this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. So first and fourth are called extreme terms, and second and third are called middle terms. So let's understand with one more example. So let's find if 30, 40, 45 and 60 are in proportion. So 30 and 40 are first and second term, and 45 and 60 are third and fourth term. So we'll write it 30 is to 40 one ratio, and 45 and 60 is another ratio. So 30 is to 40, if we reduce it to its lowest form, so if we divide both the terms by 10, so we'll get 3 is to 4. And in second ratio, which is 45 is to 60, if we divide both the terms by 15, we'll get 3 is to 4 again. So both the ratio to its lowest form in their lowest forms are 3 is to 4. So we can say these are in proportion. So we can write 30 is to 40 is in proportion to 45 is to 60.